and welcome to my channel. I am stood today because I have an unboxing of a rather large box. Rather large. So we're going to be unboxing. Yes, I've got homemade stuff on because it's rather chilly here. I know I'm indoors, but we're going to just come back in. So the scarf was on while I was out and I've just left it on. That's fine. Back to the box. Now, do you remember that I said, I have enough dolls. I don't need any more dolls. I'm done with dressing dolls. You remember all of those? Oh dear, she's failed again. So you are aware now that it's a doll. Why is this one different? Well, it's not really. It's a vintage Roddy again, 1950s doll. I just love them. Yes, I have two of this size one already, but they're blondes. This one I'm hoping is a brown-haired one. Because, you see, when I was little, let's get you what we're talking about. When I was little, I had a Roddy doll. So, this is me. And this was my Roddy doll. Now, obviously, her hair is quite dark, but it's a black and white picture, so how do we know? But anyway, this is my friend Karen and her doll. Okay, rewind slightly. When I was fostered, I took my doll with me, a couple of dolls with me, and I was told, you're too old for dolls, give it away. Not good, is it? Not splitting a girl and her doll. No. So anyway, we have the brown-haired one now. Hopefully, that was that brown-haired one. At the moment, I am making. Well, I will make her a dress. Now that is me, clearly, a long time ago, with the dress on that I want to make for her. That was one. And also that is me with a cardigan on. So the cardigan's being made as well. And I'm going to find the hair clip so that it's not so much of my old doll, but it's the younger me. It's going to be called Lyndy-Loo. Because clearly my other one that I said I had to give away was called Shirley. But I've got a Shirley now. I've got a Sandy, which was Shirley's sister in real life. Complicated. Are you following this? So this one will be called Lyndy-Loo. It's definitely well wrapped. But we've got another lot on there. How do we get that? Just there perhaps. Get it going. Not. Oh, there it is. Right, let's get the scissors down. And let's get that one off. I haven't got her this way up. I found her. She's in this way. So we've got a little return label. Oh, I don't think so. We are not about to return dollies, are we? And then you think, well, why am I even looking for Roddy dolls still? Because my one was a real big thing to me. Plastic, get that out that way. And so I feel that I want to rescue all the Roddy dolls I can. Oh, that's nice. I'm sure I could use that for something. A backing of a quilting bit. Never throw material stuff away, do we? She's coming. Right, it's pretty big. Very big. Put the box out the way. And get your eye up, girlie. Meet the new Roddy. Yes, she does have knitted stuff on her. But well, yeah, we shall wash her hair and restyle it. We shall take her original clothes up, which are very nice. That's a very nice cardie, but it's a bit big on her. As I say, I'm going to make one. She's got knitted leggings on. She's got any panties on? Oh, no. We'll have to make her some panties, won't we? What are her hands like? They're good. So I shall be putting nail varnish on the nails, clearly. And we'll have to really wash and condition her hair. Hey, what do you reckon, Lyndy-Loo? This 24-inch doll is my Lyndy-Loo. And you know, without shedding a tear here, she takes me back. She takes me right back. She's got a gorgeous smile, beautiful eyes. Look at her lovely blue eyes. She just wants a bit of loving, don't you, gal? We'll sort you. We'll sort you out, won't we? And you can go with your other mates down there. But we've got to make you a dress, finish your cardigan, do you some panties. Then we got to sort your feet out. Because I think in my photo, I can't see it. It's just such not. Perhaps she's got booties on. Can't quite see her because it's not a good photo. And then it's been photocopied, obviously. But I think she could have booties on. So I might just have to, make her some booties as well. But she's going to be good, isn't you, gal? Eh? She's going to be good. So on that note, I have a mission now to sort out Lyndy-Loo. Give her a good old bath and a hair wash. Restyle her hair. And make her clothes pretty quick, eh? I thought we had time, but you've come quite quickly, so we clearly haven't got time. We need to be making these now. Eh? One more vintage Roddy doll rescued. And yes, I've seen another one on there. Oh, don't. There's another blonde, though. There's lots of blondes, but there aren't many dark-haired ones. Don't know why that is. But I think they need rescuing. I think from the 1950s, early 60s, they need rescuing, don't you? You need bringing back to life and loving. Is that right? That's right. I'm waffling. Anyway, on that note, I shall say, do give us a thumbs up. Do subscribe, because you're going to want to see how I dress this one. If I can work out how to do a smocking bit across the dress for her, it should be fun. If I finish my cardigan, and if I sort her booties and her panties, and sort her hair out. Do watch, do keep an eye out for that video of the updating of Lyndy-Loo. On that note, you stay safe, you take care. Thumbs up, subscribe, click on the like button, make your comments, whatever you want to do. And it's bye-bye for now from Big Lyndy-Loo and Little Lyndy-Loo.